shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. We are going to be styling this beautiful blonde, ash blonde, platinum blonde, all different types of blonde. We're going to be installing this wig from start to finish. You're going to see me attempt to do a style, but we decide to ultimately get to this conclusion that we have today. If this is something that you might be interested in watching, stick around for more details. Today's hair sponsor is Dorsanee hair. I have worked with them, I think once or twice on my channel. Summertime is here. We are living our best life and we're outside. And with that being said, I had to come deliver this beauty of a wig. What I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 straight highlight blonde, platinum blonde. The actual color is E18 and 613 mix, ashy blonde and platinum blonde. As you can see, it is giving perfection.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that?
I'm gonna be wearing this wig without a bald cap because I don't got time for bald caps. If you're wondering if you can install a blonde wig without a bald cap, absolutely, because you'll see me do it today. Ooh, this wig fits really nice. Because of that band, it's very secured. It's like it's glued down.
You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
I used to cut the lace really close to the hairline, but now I like to leave myself a bit more space, so it just makes the install a bit easier for some reason. I'm gonna be going in with my #1 Ebon spray.
But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna.
I know this is gonna be a good install because again, the wig is so secured. It's staying in place. Like, look at that. It's already in place.
Be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah, I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself.
I'm gonna put some hairspray on this little wand thingy and then go in where it needs more.
I'll be like you. It's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, a lot of telling me I should be dying and be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
Going in with some leftover foundation on my brush. I think I want to do some sort of an updo. When I'm doing these styles, I like to make it as easy as possible. So I'm gonna just separate the hair that I'm not working with and just get that out of my way.
Take it as a sign, you know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine, like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow we find you. That's his trick, say his name 3 times.
And I'm gonna go in with a light hairspray. I want to put like this part up as well, but I haven't really watched the girls do this, so I haven't really paid attention. Like, what is done with this part? Is that supposed to be how it is? Is that how it is? Should we just do a middle part? It's just not working out the way that I anticipated. So let's just do something we know will look good for sure. Which side do you guys like better? Do you like this side better or this side? I don't know what I prefer. They both look good. Okay, let me think on that as I straighten the hair.
Wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time.
I feel like this side looks better. This side is looking better on camera. Sideburns it is.
Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight.
Go in with some Eco Style gel.
Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. In my own mind, even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love, even right in front of his eyes.
Wow, it's so smooth. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a light hairspray.
No, he wouldn't know, he wouldn't know, no, he wouldn't.
Last step. Where is my, oh, here it is, my palette. I'm gonna define the part. Oh, goodness. Everything's always falling over here. But I'm doing this because I don't have on a bald cap. If you're wearing a bald cap, you might not have to do this step, but it's a hack because bald caps are lame. Ain't nobody got time for them. Okay, now we're liking it because before, when I was putting the powder, it wasn't giving scalp, but now I use a powder that is slightly more brown in it. Now that's working. It's not tangling or anything as I run my hands through it. I'm not sure if there's any shedding. Very minimal shedding, just one hair. Look how silky it is. This wig is 200% density. Now that's where they get me because I feel like it looks a little bit thin for me. Now I'm gonna show you guys the ends. Those are the ends. It's giving me more like 150 or 180. The lace I did tint because it was looking too light, but I would say it's pretty good. What I really love about this wig was the fit. When I tell you the best fit ever in such a long time, amazing. For a highlight wig, I don't normally see that band inside, but that band makes all the difference because it literally kept the wig snug on my head. And when I tell you you can wear this wig glueless, you can. But it has to be a perfectly fitting frontal, and this is one of them. I am just loving this wig. Definitely 24-inch or longer. Perfectly toned, it's ashy. I didn't put any purple shampoo. I literally took the wig out of the box and put it on my head. Amazing, giving it a 10 out of 10. I'm not too concerned about the thinness. It's no thinner than like your average wig that you get, and usually with these highlight or blonde color wigs, they tend to be thinner anyway, so I'm not mad at it. I love it. Definitely recommend. If you get this wig, you'll thank me later. All right guys, that is all for today. I love this unit, as you could tell. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, because you don't want to miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you later in another video. Bye.